tama po ba na hindi tayo papayag na hindi mabuksan yung BIR box because, also under the bank secrecy law, may exemption po sa batas, yung impeachment cases. And hindi tayo papayag dun sa IRC lang, na executive session lang dapat.
I-insist po talaga ng prosecution na kailangan mabuksan yung BIR box at makita yung kanyang contents. This is an impeachment case. This is a superior constitutional mandate at malaman talaga ang katotohanan, ano yung mga, at maipoprove ng prosecution ano yung importance or significance ng mga tax records na yan in relation to the issue of unexplained wealth, which is Article 2 of the Articles of Impeachment. We will definitely insist on that.